Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you don't have subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about top 10 insurance companies by the Matrix. There are a number of ways to rank the size of insurance companies. Companies can be measured by their market capitalization, the value of the company on a stock exchange, or by using sales figures such as net premium written in a year or how many policies were sold. Here we examine the top and largest insurance companies by market cap, market share, and revenue. Key takeaways: insurance companies are important players in the global financial economy, although they may not be as flashy as investment banks or hedge funds. Insurance companies come in many sizes and specialize in different policy lines from the health of life to property and casualty. Market capitalization or market cap is the value of a company's outstanding shares. Some insurance companies are mutually owned in which the policyholders are the owners. When ranking insurance companies, it's important to categorize them according to their product line. Largest insurance companies by market capitalization. Market capitalization or market cap is the total value of a company's stock and it's calculated by multiplying to the number of outstanding shares by the current share price. It is a quick way to determine the value of company in the eyes of investors. Companies with large market caps are generally established conservative investment. They likely experience steady growth and offer the least amount of risk. Mid-cap companies are also established but have high growth potential. Lastly, small-cap companies are often new companies with high growth potential. Investing in these companies poses the greatest risk because they are more vulnerable to economic downturns. The more established large and mid-cap companies, investors can buy shares of publicly traded companies in the insurance industry. The largest non-health insurance companies by market capitalization on the World Stock Exchange as one of Q1 2022 are publicly traded non-health insurance companies. Company name: Berkshire Hathaway. US market capitalization $714 billion. Company name: Ping An Insurance China. Market capitalization $141 billion. AIA Group Hong Kong. Market capitalization $1 to $3 billion. China Life Insurance China. Market capitalization $106 billion. Allianz Germany. Market capitalization $89 billion. Cigna US $76 billion. Zurich Insurance Switzerland $67 billion. AXA France $65 billion. Humana US $55 billion. Munich Germany $39 billion. Publicly traded health insurance and managed healthcare companies. Company name: United Healthcare $448 billion. CVS $136 billion. Anthem $109 billion. Cigna $76 billion. If you don't have subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.